Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to my Let's Play of Crusader Kings 2, where we're going to mend this great schism, which has befallen our beloved faith. Yes, I said it with a straight face. But yeah, basically that is the opening plan, and then from there we will try to move on to restoring Rome. Oh, might as well start the timer. Timers are good things for YouTube episodes. And stand you guys down. Try and get people a little bit less peed off at me. I think actually we're going to send like large numbers into one place and try and get it to siege quick. Stand down the boats. To be honest. Oh, and I left them guys up there. An extra 1,000. Stand them down. Hopefully they're the ones who are annoyed with me and it'll sort that out. A Jewish exile fleeing persecution in the rest of Europe. Yeah, he's fine to come to me. Child lacks a guardian. My daughter. Let's educate the child. You're suggesting that I do it. She's my eldest. I guess we could educate her for now. I'm going to have to deal with that dangerous faction sooner rather than later, though. I think it might be raising the boats too long, because boats are very expensive for them, so they get annoyed. My court here, of course, I'm going to make a move. Wait, would a bastard born in the purple still be higher in the... I've fallen in love with her. Would a bastard born in the purple still be a higher ranked becoming the emperor? Yeah, it's over 10 to 1. God, that still feels hurty. Still over 10 to 1. And we've got the slow sieges going, but because of the dangerous factions, I sort of want to end the war quicker, although it's probably counterintuitive because, yeah, these are my number of troops which are going down by doing this. We'll have lots of people who'll be very happy with us once we've done this. You're at 101% of my strength at the moment. You don't think so? It'd still be a bastard, yeah. But then again, born in the purple. Go on, no, can you scroll down to that page? Good, so I can see. Damn it, silly thing. Oh, you silly thing. You've really gone and done it now. Yeah, quick siege. Oh, it really wasn't needed, though. Again, they had so little morale. And you're actually going to have to slow siege that, because that's just too close. 700. Yeah, not quick sieging that. Don't you dare suggest that I'm going to have to go over to Tunis to get this. And we have a daughter. The last person I saw in the chat talking was Joseph Stalin. So, let's see. How would I spell... Josephine. There we go, thank you, Google. I'll just leave it up on the... You didn't need to add in the okay, thank you, Google. Damn you. Josephine. Very close. She was going to be FUK Ghosts. So I think my daughter thanks you, Joseph, for Joe Starling for talking. You saved her from a ghost name. Righteous imprisonment. My vassal the Duke, who is leading the plot. Where is he? He's there. It's there. And... you stop leading troops. Instead, suppress revolts here. Should have given me the bonus to arresting this guy. Imprison. 79% chance. Send. He's good. There. Now that he's in prison, he shouldn't be able to be in that faction. He is. He shouldn't be able to revolt, at least, I would hope. Yeah, he's had to come out of it. Now we've got another Duke in charge, who... I'm his heir. Can I kill him? Sort by power. 15. Yeah, let's go and try and kill this guy. Where's the invite to plot one? I always forget what they look like. Oh, there. Invite to plot. Yes. You are going to require a gift, milady. Send a gift. 20. Invite to plot. You're the same, I believe. I'll take another duchy. Now, I should be able to at least give it away. You won't invite to plot, but if I send you a gift... Yeah. Now, you would be brilliant. How far away from inviting to plot are you? I think you'd need to like me. Landed title is something I don't want to do. Honorary title is something I can't do, okay. Well, let's see how close that gets us, because that's more... that's more than it was predicting. Oh. Are you 15? I think you're 7. Oh, literally just to the 100. Let's kill him. Let's get ourselves another duchy. Do I have 2 duchies at the moment? I do. So it'll be one that's given away, most likely. What's your duchy, anyway? Yeah, it'll be one that's given away. But possibly to an heir, which I know I'm not going to be using. Let her rot, that's fine. Up to 40%. Sieges are starting to fall, the slow sieges that I set going, so that's nice. Oh, be unpaused. Just go quick, because this is a quick time matter. Make defeat. Really? Wait, all my troops are over here. We're just going to ignore you. And hopefully ignoring you is going to work, because I can't get my troops back over there. 59. I don't think we're going to get enough from sieging all of this 100%. 70. You got through that top one yet? Righteous imprisonment. My wife! My wife? What's my wife doing? Is trying to kill my lover. Yeah, we can let that go. I think that's within the wife's rights to kill my lover. Quick siege. Let's see, Stuart Dux probably didn't think I would notice. Oh, he's been stealing from me. Okay, we have to question him. She'll pay back the money. Be imprisoned. Wait, imprisoning him doesn't decrease his opinion? Or I'll forgive you. Ah, screw it, make him pay back the money. He's the one I'm trying to kill anyway, isn't he? Yep. I'm still his heir. Anyone else decided they're willing to... For God's sake, it'd be 100%. Increasing it by 30. Yeah, it's not enough. Temporarily getting you to educate my daughter. You've gladly accepted. Nah, it's not enough. So it's fine, I'll re-educate the daughter. Nah, you can stay there, I don't care. Victory, victory. You... Who has the most left to siege? 1 and 1. Okay, then, well, that's simple. Split in half. Actually, no, don't split in half. Just all dogpile on this. Then we'll be able to quick siege it. Okay, that's this finished. Come over here. It's not going to be enough. 98%. Magyars, no more. How much did our ally up there lose? Not as much as you'd think. I can probably get this quite quickly. Surprised he didn't call us in. Actually, hopefully this battle will be enough. No, no, kill them. Let him rot. Don't let them escape. Capture him! Another starting siege, another percent. Merge you up. Split in half, because I don't know which way they're going to engage, but something like that. You come in and join in. Come on, be enough to win it. Yes, 100%. Good. Offer peace. Enforce demands. Woohoo, we won! Let's see. We won on the timer is counting. Now, first things first, then we need to start giving away the land which we can't hold ourselves. Which is basically all of it, actually. Stand everybody down. Oh, I didn't actually give you away. That's fine. Come on, I'm sure I clicked on all of these. I missed out an entire county. Our domain is still too big, which will really annoy people. Well, that's fine, because we're going to start giving away land. You despise me. Okay, I was considering creating you as a duke. That's fine. Let's... Benevento, do you have any claimants at the moment? No. Malfi... Yeah, you are a duchy level, but you're not a duchy level, if that makes any sense. It's into Italy. Try to see if there's any like little dukes near us which we could get added into us quite simply. I think I'm just going to end up going through... We'll find characters. My court. There are no geniuses in my court. A man who is not in prison. Who married is any ruler. No. My religion. My religion. My culture. My culture. And sort by stewardship. My father. Oh yeah, let's give my father land, because I'll inherit that straight back, won't I? Yes, I like this idea. What's your stewardship level? How many can you hold? I don't know. Yeah, we're going to be granting you landed titles, father. Include below us. Grant a landed title. Never had the option, really, to give it to my father before. There we go. And you should be able to create that duchy yourself. You should love me, so hopefully you'll give me lots of troops. That's put us back down on our limit. How's the plot coming? When I really want him dead, it'd be nice if we could kill him. We've got enough prestige and enough money. So let's organise Varangian Guard. They shall serve me well. Pick an ambition. Become exalted among men. That's a prestige one, isn't it? Yeah. A righteous imprisonment of my wife. Don't care about that one, that's the only one. Really? You're the head of your household? Because of that I can customise it. That's fine. We're not going to customise it just yet. So Sicily, we're still short 2 provinces. When did this come under us? Our vassals did that, from the looks of things. Damn it, the Kingdom of Italy got this land. There's no chance of you guys just nicely... No. I can de jure claim you. Do you have any allies, little boy? No. Okay, then de jure claim. Then we'll educate you. Let's just try and raise, like for instance, my father's troops. Because he's going to love me. He doesn't have any. I don't think that's going to be enough. You didn't like me, but you're in prison, so let's raise up your troops. Okay, I'm happy with all of them at the moment. Okay, raise up my own boats and that quickly. Just come back, come over here, and then we'll drop you down straight away. Always does make me laugh. You have to, you know, get your troops raised and everything like that yourself, but they just get home magically. Borrow some boats from next door. Merge up. Come back. Okay, that's a few more troops than I was expecting. Still need to stand you down because they're going to be so expensive. Military, mercenaries, Varangian Guard, Cusfried. Screw it, raise you. I'll raise my boats up again. Because I have the perfect number of boats to transport these. And that might actually make the dangerous faction go away while I have these up. Gain a stewardship for 40... Yeah, it's a little bit of money for stewardship. I'm happy with that. Stand you guys down. Stand you guys down. That should be more than enough to go fight this guy now. 5 to 1-ish. Maria the Maiden of... My lord, there are strange tidings in the province of Samaria as... Who are you? Whoa! That's a high stewardship. Let's receive her. She's 17. How old's my son again? Ranger betrothal. If I do it the other way round. How do I find... She's in my court, isn't she? Find character. Reset. Women. Arrange a betrothal to my son. Oh, it's the Joan of Arc event. Yes. I'm now a brilliant strategist. I didn't even realise I was leading this fight. We're not going to quick siege it. My wife is pregnant again. I hope it's my wife. A maid with 33 marshals sure looks at yeah. But it's all good. Child is lacking education. Okay, well, we'll educate him. Actually, yeah, the maid can educate him. That's a very good martial skill. I'd rather do them myself for the actual top person, but... How old's my son? A 3-year-old, which I just said a 17-year-old will marry. She'll die and we'll get a new one. Let's become lustful. Marry, the nobles react. Let them moan, I'm the Basilicus. Very well, we shall put her on trial for heresy. No, they can moan all they like. It's fine with me. Come on, just win this siege. It's probably enough. Victory, 99%. I hate it when that happens. Gotta go for a whole nother siege for 1%. We've had a daughter born. And the last person to talk in the chat was Dryland. So this lady is called Dryland. Although you didn't put a capital L there, for some reason I have. Thank you for coming, Mary. Gain piety or gain prestige, and she loses it. You are truly by the Blessed Virgin sent. If you ghost, you missed out again. So it shall be. Oh crap, I just missed a call to arms, didn't I? Or maybe it was him offering peace. Enforce demands. Thank you for forwarding Dryland the King. I need to work on that thing. Long names don't seem to fit in it properly. Educate the child. Child will body hostage of a foreign power. I'm not a foreign power, I'm your freaking lord. Oh, I took it myself. But it was a de jure claim. Surely he should have took it. He should have kept it and I should have been under him. Stand down the troops. Didn't think the Varangians would stand down. But again, they don't cost anything to raise, do they? No, they do. That's 39 like, sort of gold that I just wasted. Definitely the cheapest, though. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube, as always, I'd like to thank you for watching. Unfortunately, I'm going to have to say goodbye. Goodbye.